Hello, did you know your investments contributions towards NPS provide tax savings beside ATC? This makes NPS a great way to plan for your retirement and save tax. We all know that the National Pension Scheme provides a low cost investment vehicle to plan for your retirement. Section 80C of the tax code allows you to deduct up to Rs 1.5 lakh from your taxable income if you contribute to an NPS account. This can help you save on your taxes. Besides savings on taxes under Section 80C, you can also invest up to Rs 50,000 per financial year to save taxes under Section 80CCD1B. And Section 80CCD1B also allows a tax deduction if your employer invests Rs 50,000 into your NPS account. So use both of these tax saving options the government has created to encourage you to plan for your retirement financial security. Thank you.